This RE/MAX Realtec Group property video is presented by Jeanette Smith. Come and make this very spacious home that retains the value of peaceful living your own while being conveniently close to shops, schools, entertainment and more. Brand new flooring throughout in this open floor plan, complete with bonus room, large Florida room and 3 full baths. Roomy open kitchen with lots of space and wood cabinetry. 2 large bedrooms and 3rd room can be used for bedroom, office den or in-law suite. Indoor laundry room with washer and dryer hookup. Bigger backyard with storage shed and endless possibilities. Your family and loved ones will enjoy the private and spacious backyard, perfect for all types of gatherings and fun. The flooring is brand new, new designer paint throughout this home, newer roof, newer AC, newer exterior paint, double carport and located on a dead-end street with little to no traffic right in the heart of Clearwater. Hurry, better be first to call for your personal tour before someone gets the home with lots of room to enjoy life and start living from